the family feature of your Windows is not working, you can protect your family online with these tips. Firstly, check your connection and configure the family safety settings. Just sign into your Microsoft account online. Visit the Microsoft Family Safety Login page, sign in with your account, click Settings, scroll down to Manage Parental Consent, and follow the on-screen instructions to configure the settings to your liking. Now, after making the adjustments, test it by logging to one of your members' account. Next to that process is to update your family safety feature, and do it by opening Settings, click Apps, choose App and Features, find Family Feature, and select Uninstall. From there, restart your device and then reinstall the family safety feature from the Microsoft Store. Now, another possible fix is to enable Sync Settings feature by opening Settings again, click Accounts, choose Sync Your Settings, and then turn on the option. And those are the ways on how you can fix the family feature if it is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.